In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to print A4 size in Canva. We'll walk through setting up the correct document size, exporting with the right settings, and making sure it prints accurately on A4 paper. Start by opening Canva and clicking Create. In the Size options, choose Custom Size. Canva might default to pixels, so switch the units to millimeters. For an A4 document in portrait orientation, type 210 for the width and 297 for the height. Portrait simply means the page is taller than it is wide. This matches the international A4 standard and ensures your design is exactly the right proportions from the very beginning. Confirm to open your blank A4 canvas and build your design as usual. As you design, keep key text and logos a little away from the edges so they stay safe during trimming. When you're ready to export, go to the top right and click the Share button. From the menu that appears, select Download. Under File Type, choose PDF Print. This format preserves crisp vector edges, embeds fonts properly, and gives you the best quality for printing compared with image formats like PNG or JPG. It also optimizes embedded images for print and flattens transparencies so they reproduce cleanly on paper. Next, set the color profile. Select CMYK if you're sending the file to a professional printer or any print shop. CMYK aligns with how inks mix on paper and helps colors reproduce more predictably in print. RGB, on the other hand, is optimized for screens, so reserve that for digital use. Keep in mind that some colors you see on a backlit display can look slightly different once converted to ink. If your background color, photos, or graphics extend all the way to the edge of the page, check the option for crop marks and bleed. Bleed adds a small safety margin beyond the page edge, and crop marks show where the paper should be trimmed so you don't end up with unintended white slivers. Canva's standard bleed is small but effective for edge-to-edge designs. If everything stays well inside the margins, you can leave this unchecked. Click the Download button and let Canva generate the PDF. Save the file to a location you can find easily. Larger, print-ready PDFs can take a moment to export. To print from your computer, open the downloaded PDF and choose Print. In the Print dialog, make sure the scaling is set to 100% or actual size, not fit to page or shrink to fit. This prevents the printer from resizing your content and keeps it precisely A4. That's it. Thanks for watching.